Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Opera browser on your Motorola Defy. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Opera. Hit the search button, select this app and then install it. After installation process is complete, you'll be able to open this app. From here, start customizing it. Click continue. If you want, you can enable adblock. You can also skip it right here. You can also enable trackle blocking or skip it right here. Set Opera as default browser, or if you also want to skip it, click right here. So I'm gonna set it, then click on Opera, set as default, and then allow. You can also go for the customize to even customize this browser further. And here you can choose the theme, so that changes the color of this app. I'm gonna pick the red one and then click done. Now our browser is ready, we can open any website and it should work without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.